Lemons are rich in vitamin C, fibre and several beneficial plant compounds. These nutrients are responsible for the health benefits of lemons. Lemons can be beneficial for the heart, weight and digestion, among other things. In this video, we take a look at the 6 scientifically proven health benefits of lemons. Number 1. Supports heart health. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C. 1 lemon provides 30.7 milligrams of vitamin C, which is 51% of the daily recommended amount. Research has shown that fruits and vegetables high in vitamin C reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Not only the vitamin C is good for the heart, the fibre and plant compounds in lemon also significantly lower risk factors for heart disease. One study found that eating the lemon fibre reduces total blood cholesterol levels after 4 weeks. The plant compounds of lemons, hesperidin and diasmin, can also lower cholesterol levels. Number 2. Supports a good weight. Lemons are often touted as a weight loss aid, and there are a number of theories to back this up. A common theory is that the lemon's soluble pectin fibre expands in your stomach, keeping you full for longer. However, few people eat the whole lemon. And because lemon juice does not contain pectin, it does not have the same satiety effect. Another theory is that drinking hot lemon water helps you lose weight. Drinking water temporarily increases calorie burn. So it may be that the water is helping you lose weight instead of the lemon. Number 3. Prevents kidney stones. Kidney stones are small spheres that form when waste products crystallize and build up in the kidneys. They are common, and people who get them frequently get them repeatedly. Citric acid can help prevent kidney stones by increasing the amount of urine and uric acid levels, creating a less favourable environment for kidney stones to develop. It is stated that 120 millilitres of lemon juice daily provides enough citric acid to prevent kidney stones in people who have already had them. Number 4. Lemon can protect against anemia. Iron deficiency anemia is common. This occurs when you don't get enough iron through your diet. Lemons contain some iron, but mainly improve iron absorption from plant foods. Iron from plant sources, non-heme iron, is less well absorbed, but can be improved by the intake of vitamin C and citric acid. Because lemons contain both vitamin C and citric acid, they can help prevent anemia by helping to absorb iron from food as well as possible. Number 5. Reduces the risk of cancer. A diet rich in fruits and vegetables can help prevent certain cancers. Observational studies have shown that the people who eat the most lemons have a lower risk of cancer, but still other studies have not seen these effects. In test tubes, many substances in lemons killed cancer. However, many things can kill cancer in a test tube, but that doesn't mean it works that way in the human body. Some researchers believe that plant compounds in lemon, such as limonene and naringenin, have an anti-cancer effect. However, this hypothesis needs further investigation. Number 6. Improves digestion. Lemons consist of about 10% carbohydrates, mainly in the form of soluble fibre and simple sugars. The main fibre in lemons is pectin, a form of soluble fibre that has been linked to several health benefits. Soluble fibre can improve gut health and slow the digestion of sugars and starches. This effect can lower blood sugar levels. However, to enjoy the benefits of lemon fibre, you need to eat a lot of it, including pulp and zest. People who drink the juice without the skin and pulp, therefore, do not ingest any fibre. Finally, lemons are high in vitamin C, soluble fibre and plant compounds that have many health benefits. Do you like Healthy Life Wisdom? Then make sure to subscribe to our channel and leave this video a like if you enjoyed it. See you next video.